Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entry. I, Deepani Bhardwaj, welcome you all again. And today we are going to discuss about one of the best wins from India's side. That is, India has beaten up Australia and won Border Gavaskar Trophy. Now, why is it so much interesting? What happened that each and every Indian is just celebrating today? We'll be discussing about all those things. Apart from that, we'll also discuss what all records were broken, why this is called the historical match. Fine. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll just discuss about this win. So first of all, if we talk about this win, then India has just broken all the records. Why I'm saying this? See, the first thing is that if you look at India's team that was playing, many of them were fresher. Many of the experienced players are sitting just half a planet away from where the match was conducted. For example, if I talk about Virat Kohli was not there in Australia, and if we calculate the distance between the place where Virat Kohli is right now and where the match was taking place in Gaba, you'll just find a difference of a distance of almost half of the planet. Fine. Apart from that, if I talk about injury, many of the Indian players were injured. Most of them were new. Fine. Apart from that, almost all the experienced players were not there in this match. Whereas if I talk about Australian team, each and every player was perfect one, and the best 11 team was there, isn't it? So the Gaba fortress has been breached, and an inexperienced Indian team has chased down 327 to script history, and it's Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant is the player that will remain in our hearts for much longer period as you all are expecting for. Fine, who made an unbeaten 89 of 138 deliveries and delivered the win for India. Shubham Gill with a brilliant 91 and Pujara with a patient of 211 balls 56 ensured India's dominating proceedings, and in the end part with his heroic scripted of fascinating win. Since the starting of this match, we were thinking that Indian players are not that experienced, and as the match proceeded, we just thought that it's Australia that is going to win. And in the later on part, we were just praying that this match should go for draw, so that we will not lose it. But finally, what happened? We won it by 2-1. The first important thing. The second important thing, if I tell you about the score, then in the first innings, Australia scored 369, and in the second innings, Australia scored 294. This is not a bad score. It is a good score, and that too where India's team is not that experienced. And then came up our country, India. If we talk about our score, then in the first innings it was 336, and there's nothing to tell about today. What was done? It was 329 for 7, and with 3 wickets still remaining, we won. So finally, we won by 3 wickets. Now we'll be discussing about the interesting facts or the some of the records. So first thing is that 2 bigger targets chased by India in Test. Fine. This is also the 5th highest successful chase in Australia. In the last 20 years, only South Africa has chased down a higher total in Australia when they scored 414 at Perth in 2008. Now this one is really interesting. After 32 years, Australia has lost in Gaba. So we Indians made Australia lose this match, and after how many years? After 32 years. Last time they lost was against West Indies in 1988. In between these two defeats, Australia went unbeaten for 31 tests. Fine. Now, next thing is that this is the India's highest total in 4th innings in the Test wins. Another fact is that two series won by India and the Australia. Among the subcontinent teams, only India have won a series in Australia. Fine. So among the subcontinent teams, it is only India who have won a series in Australia. So Australia's record, we say, if we'll say about it, then series played 34, won 26, drawn 6 and lost 2. Now another thing is that three batsmen scoring 50 plus in the fourth innings of a test for India. This has happened 13 times for India so far, but this is the first occasion they managed it in a successive test. Last time three Indian batsmen scored at least a half century in the fourth innings in SENA was in England in 2002. Another thing is that 928 balls were faced by Cheteshwar Pujara in this test series. It is the fifth most by any visiting batsman in Australia in 4 or fewer tests. Three of the top 5 batsmen are Indians, with Pujara's 2018-19 series at the top with 1,258 deliveries. These were the interesting facts. One more thing that you must be aware of, if we talk about the test rankings, then India before this match, or rather we can say till this match, India was lying on the third position. That is, India was there on the third ranking, and on the second rank it was Australia. But now what has happened? By this win, this is swept. That is, the third position has went to second and second position has come to third. That is, India has reached the second position in test rankings and Australia has come to third position. Fine. So there are many things that are interesting about this match, and most important thing is that today we are feeling proud because we have made it. We have done it. So these were all the things regarding this match. In case you have any doubt, comment section is available for you. Please do comment, like on this video, share it as much as possible, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. So thanking you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.